Great. Let's have a look at May's trades. We start off like normal. We start off by the FTSE daily on the breakouts. We were stopped out over here on the last trade in April. We came along. We had a signal over here. In the first signal in May. Let me just move it over there. You'll see there, right? But this trade wasn't signaled, and we got a new signal before that trade could have been signaled in, triggered in. So we'll be working on this trade over here. Let me just move that away so we can see the date. Just over there on the 23rd of the 5th, right? So, like normal, we place a sell order on the low of the candle, our stop loss on the high, and our target, where is it? Down here on the 3 risk. As you can see, the trade came. We were triggered into the trade on this candle over here. It went nicely. We had a close above the 161, so we brought our stop loss to the entry point. We were taken out. It reversed against us and we were taken out of the trade. But this is now all happened in June, so we'll talk about that further in June, right? So that is the FTSE breakout. The only problem about daily trades is that you don't have many of them, but it's okay. Let's look at the XPX. May, right, let's continue. Where is the 5th already over there? Wow. Right, where's the signal? Oh boy. In May? Wow. May. Oh, makes it very easy. The 31st. 3rd of May, the 5th of May, right. Oh, the 1st of May, right. Here we are, from the 1st of May to the end of May. As you can see, there wasn't one signal during May on the XPX. Wow, righto. That makes it easy. no trades for the whole month. Yeah, I must say it is, when you're looking and checking every day for a trade entry and there's just no entry, well, it really starts getting to you after a while. But you must be patient. I mean, wait for the markets to come to you. Don't try and force the market. The market will just take advantage out of you if you try and force the markets. Right, let's go and look at the recovery trade. And once again, I will stop and pause the video and we'll continue once I have the run the tests. Righto, see you in a moment. Good, back again. As we look through all the trades, we can see, okay, this trade has been closed, the last trade on the 31st of May. It has been closed, but it's not, it hasn't hit a target, right? So it is not a winning trade yet, or the cycle is not completed yet. The last cycle, completed cycle, was over here on the 8th of May, where we hit our target. And that brought the account up to $101 profit. Now, let's just go and work that out. Cancel 101 divided by 1000 equals us just over 10%, divided by 5 months, right? That gives us 2%, right? So it has increased a little bit. It is now on 2%. I wouldn't like to increase the risk at this point of time. Maybe if you want to, you can maybe look at the settings, maybe try other settings. You could maybe try, let's say, like a 50-point stop loss with a 100-point take profit, but don't go under at least a 2 reward for 1 risk. Don't go under that. If you're going to go to a 1-to-1, your results could be very, very different. I would say try, if you're going to try, play around a bit with it and see if you cannot manage to get yourself better settings. At this point of time, I'm quite happy with 2%, even just 2% growth on the account. To me, it is okay, as long as the consecutive losses is within, how must I put it to you, you can handle the amount of consecutive losses over here. A guy doesn't get a heart attack because the consecutive losses have gone too high with you. Righto. Now, with that said, let's just close out all of this over here. Right, I'll move that one back there. And let's move on to the Ichimoku breakout trade. Once again, I will start it and I will run it the test, and when the results are there, I'll be back again with you in a moment. Great, I'm back again. The backtest is run and we've got the results out over here, and as we can see on the 29th of May we had the end of a cycle or of a run, which brought us up to $77 profit on the $500 account. Let's just calculate that one out, and we see 77 divided by 500, that gives us 15% growth, divided by 5 for the 5 months, that gives us roughly 3% growth per month, which is a nice. I mean, I think 3% per month, it's not very high, I know, but most people would like to have a 300% monthly growth per month, or even at just a 30% growth. But to me, 3% growth is sustainable, and I think yes, if you're going to start compounding on your account at 3%, you will see a very big difference happening to your account. At this point of time on a $500 account, you can still not compound because the lot sizes does not work out, or will does permit you to be able to start compounding. I think once your account can reach a position of about maybe $2,000, $3,000, maybe at that stage your guy can start compounding. We will see when we reach that stage. Righto. Now let's go on to the Bollinger Band. Let me just close out over here and close out this one here. Righto, and then we'll shoot over to the Bollinger Bands. Righto, as you can see, it's a Bollinger Band version 3. There were some bugs which I had fixed up, and every time I fix a bug up, I'll make it a new version. So there we can see we're on version 3, and once again I will start running it, and once we have completed the back test, I'll be back. Be with you in a moment. Righto, back again. If we can have a look at the results over here. Yo, there's been some trades, eh? Okay, let's just page down. Let's just page down to the bottom. Righto, 37 trades so far. And if we look over here, we've had, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive losses in May. The last winning trade was here in May, the last closed cycle, which is then up to, brought us up by $158. Let's work it out. Clear it. Let's just going to say 158 divided by 500 equals us a 31%, divided by the 5 months. That's 6% again. So as you can see, this one is averaging about 6%, which is actually very nice. It's a big growth, much bigger than I expected. And yeah, let's see. But like I said to you, it's because it trades quite frequently. To me, it's quite a nice trading system. I'm quite happy with it, and I'm running it on my live account. As I said in the descriptions below, I will be putting all the links to the MyFX book. With that said, happy trading, and let's look at June's trades.